What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to solder this pipe. As you see, this pipe broke during the freezing here in Houston, Texas. It was bad, so the water was in the pipe and the water got frozen during the night, and in the morning everything was busted. So we have put the coupling on that side and also this side, and I'm going to show you how to solder it. Let's jump to it. So this is all the tools you need to start doing the soldering. Propane tank with the regulator, silver plumbing solder, we need the pipe cleaner, we need the plumber and flux, and also sometimes cloths. So the way you want to do, first you need to clean the both side of the pipe. I clean one side in this side, the other side, and also the coupling we want to put in the middle, we have to clean it in the inside that with the brush. So the cleaning is very important. Make sure you clean all the connection. So whatever connection and the flux is gonna go, you have to clean it. So we're gonna put the flux now. So as you see, we put the flux this side, the other side, and also inside the coupling. So some people, they overkill the flux, so this is one of them. So my friend's doing that, and he's overkilling it, but it doesn't matter. So it's not that a big deal. So it's still working, but you don't need to put that much flux on the pipe. So we do, as you see, we put on the both side, and we're gonna do the coupling inside, and we just connect it. So this is the other side. We just cleaned it, and we're doing the same thing. We're putting the flux, and we're gonna slide the coupling in and start soldering. But this is too much flux, guys. But like I said, it's easy work, you know. It doesn't matter that much. And let's watch the video.
You always want to have your inspection mirror too, so you can figure out how your joints look, you know. Yeah, you want to be able to look at the bottom of it because you can't get your head down there. So that's why you got that inspection mirror.
So after finish the soldering, you want to clean the pipe, the place you solder, with the wet rag to cool down the soldering as well. and clean the mess you left. So as you see, my friend add a lot of solder so to make sure it doesn't leak, but you see the result under it. You see the big solder just stuck over there, so I don't like it, but it work. And make sure subscribe to the channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home, and have a great day. Don't forget to